In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Peru by Fireboy DML and Ed Sheeran. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like.
21 want me, I just flew in from Miami. Peru, para, I'm loose, even Peru donde para.
Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with uke players around the world. So join the family. Just click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this concert-sized Nova ukulele, which by the way is made out of carbon fiber, so it's very travel friendly. It's not going to warp in different weather conditions or dent. I love that the action is low, so it's easy to press down on those strings, and the tone sounds incredible, and you can get it for a very affordable price. So if you want to check out this model and get your hands on it today, check out the link in my description box below. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play Peru, and those chords are G minor, E flat major, and F major. Now, if you already know how to play those 3 chords, great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is G minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the first fret. Take your second finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is G minor. The next chord is E flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the first fret. Take your third finger, press down on the third string of the third fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is E flat major. And the last chord for the song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the strum pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play through that strum pattern now on the G minor chord. 1, 2, G minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be G minor for one turn of the string pattern, E flat major for the first half of the string pattern, and then F major for the second half of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1, E and 2, E and G minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 And now let's play the chord progression and the strum pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, G minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, down, pause, tap, down, tap, down, pause, tap. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics now and play through Peru. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
21 want me, I'm in San Francisco jamming. 21 want me, I just flew in from Miami. Peru, para, I'm loose, even Peru donde para.
Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Peru. And that's You Play Peru by Fireboy DML and Ed Sheeran. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends Leilani Kalulau and Chance Bragenfield for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to consider joining the U Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.